Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Spotify account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your Spotify account, start by opening the Spotify app or website. If you're using the app, tap on Login. For the website, click on Login in the top right corner. You will see a Forgot Your Password link below the login fields. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Next, enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Once you've entered your email, hit the Send button. Check your email inbox for a message from Spotify. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email and look for the link to reset your password. Click on the Reset link, and it will direct you to a new page. Choose a strong, new password that you can remember. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Once you've entered the new password, click on the Reset Password button. You should see a confirmation message that your password has been updated. Now, return to the Spotify app or website and log in with your new password. If you still can't access your account, try the Login Help link. That link will provide additional options based on the issues you may be facing. Follow the provided instructions to recover your account. If needed, reach out to Spotify support for further assistance. Be sure to have any relevant information about your account handy when you contact them. With these steps, you should be able to successfully recover your Spotify account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.